three people I work with are making between $3,500 and $6,000 a month, all three on the side of their day jobs and in under 90 days. None of them built an app or learned to code. They sold a service and let AI do the work. Maya was a senior PM at a SaaS company in Austin. David spent 8 years in management consulting. Priya did 12 years in B2B marketing before she got laid off last year. All three are professionals with families counting on the income. All three now running an AI service alongside everything else. This isn't three people on a lucky streak. 80% of American businesses have 0 employees. That's 30 million people running one-person businesses. And the fastest growing segment inside that group right now is AI-powered services. All they did was begin selling a service. They took the expertise that they already had and packaged it for clients who wanted the outcome. The system they followed is what I call the build system. It walks you through how to turn expertise into a service business without giving up your day job. A simple 4-step process: what to sell, how to find your idea, how to deliver the work without running your life into the ground, how to sign clients, and it comes with a 30-day plan you can start this weekend. Just so you know where I'm coming from, I've been in tech for 20 years, and I currently lead multiple programs developing AI models at Google. What I watched happen in the last 18 months is different from anything that came before. 2 years ago, AI could help us write a paragraph faster. That was the ceiling. Today, that same AI can do the work of an analyst or a junior consultant. It places a whole team of doers right at your fingertips, without the headcount and without the overhead. The building an app path with AI would have failed for them. For every app that makes $100, there are roughly 10,000 attempts that never make $1. Even if you can engineer, the build is barely half of the work. The other half is making something people will pay for, marketing it, finding customers, supporting them, and fixing what breaks. That is pretty much lottery odds. And the lottery takes months of your evenings before you even find out if you drew the winning ticket. If you already have a real life in motion, a day job, a family, bills that depend on the income actually showing up, you don't have that runway to burn. Alright, let's get into part 1, what to sell. Products are the Silicon Valley fantasy. You build something, you ship it, and then you hope someone wants it. You do all the work up front. You carry all the risk. Revenue only shows up if the market agrees with your guess, and that is a coin flip at best. Service is the exact opposite. Someone pays you first, you deliver after. You're selling a promise and you build the specific deliverable with their money. The difference matters when you already have a life to protect. You do not have a year of evenings to build something on spec. You need income that shows up fast. A service gives you that. A product can't. And the buyer doesn't care if AI is doing the work. They care about the outcome. Give them a great result and they're happy. Think about every professional service you ever bought. A lawyer's contract, a designer's logo, your accountant's tax return. You judge the output, not the process. Nobody asks a lawyer which software they use to draft the contract. They ask if it protects them. Same logic applies here. The service business runs on exactly that logic. Your clients will judge the report, the memo, the asset, not your workflow. For Maya, her buyers don't ask if AI wrote the first draft. They care that the report lands on Monday with the right insights. She charges $2,500 per report, landed her first client inside 5 weeks, and was at $5,000 a month by week 8. So you sell an outcome, and you let AI do the work. Your job is positioning and quality control, not heroic effort. Part T is where most people freeze. They have too many skills, too many options, and no clear direction. The paralysis is real, but the shortcut is simple. You have to take a step back and look at what you've been paid to do for years. You don't need a new one. You need the right angle on the one you already have. To take the guesswork out of this, I built a Claude skill called the second income map, which will be available down below. If you aren't familiar with Claude skills, there are a set of instructions similar to prompts but more through. You feed them into Claude, package so it runs the same way every time. You load it, you give it your inputs, and it turns those messy inputs into polished output in your voice and your standards. Think of it as a reusable system you can build in an afternoon that works as hard as you do. Once built, it can run your entire delivery. The second income map skill runs on 2 questions basically. The first question is what you have been paid to do for more than 3 years. The second one, where does AI now make that work at least 10 times faster? The overlap between those 2 questions is your service. You can download the second income map in the description. Install it in Cloud, run it once, and you will have your service direction in about 15 minutes. I put that together for you so understand, what kind of angles that you can look into right now without the guesswork. David's lane inside consulting was commercial due diligence. Those memos used to take his team 2 weeks. He built a Claude skill that cut the first draft down to 4 hours. Same skill, same industry, new speed. He didn't pivot into a new field. He just found the angle. He started selling those memos to private equity firms at $3,000 each. Run 2 memos a month at first, and by week 12, he was making $6,000 a month. Your version? It could be anything. Market research, content strategy, legal review, recruiting, financial modeling, AI lead response for small businesses, maybe competitive intelligence. Find a spot where your old expertise meets AI compression. And by compression, I mean work that used to take days now takes hours, same output. That's the only place one-person business actually scales. Everything that you've been hearing about it is nonsense. Alright, now let's get into part 3. You should have a service idea by now. Now the question is, how do you actually deliver it without burning 30 hours a week on top of your day job? This is where I need to clear up something most people get wrong, including me, early on. There are 2 different things happening inside a service business. There is the reusable Claude skill you build one time, and there is the client work you deliver over and over using that skill. You build the Claude skill first, before you sign any client, before you take any money. That part is infrastructure. It sits in your machine, waiting. Then, when a client does pay you, you are not scrambling to figure out how to deliver. The skill is already sitting there. You feed it their inputs, it gives you the draft, you add what only a human can add, and you ship. That is how you sell first and still deliver fast. You're not building the delivery under deadline pressure. You built it in a calm afternoon weeks ago. To give you an example, this kind of work used to take Maya 35 hours of manual work when she was working inside her PM role. Research, analysis, writing, formatting, 1 full week of real effort. She built a Claude skill in a single weekend that takes raw company data and produces structured draft report in about 4 hours. She reviews it, polishes it, adds the judgment only she can add, and then sends it. Same quality her clients expect, nearly 9 times faster than the old way, and she built it once. Build your Claude skill first, sign the client second. That's the key. This is how my own content process runs now. A year ago, I did every step by hand. Today, the first draft comes out of the Claude skill I built. That is what it means to hire Claude as your first employee. And it is exactly how you're going to set yours up. Part 4. How do you actually get paid? The most important part, right? There are 2 paths here. Build a personal brand or do an outreach. I recommend both, but you can start with outreach alone if you have to pick one lane. But be aware, without authority, your outreach results will struggle. My build system shows you how to build that authority. You don't need a huge audience. You only need 10 real conversations with the right 10 people. If you've been working for 5 to 10 years, you already have the network. Former colleagues, past clients, people who know your work. Most of them haven't heard from you in a while, and that silence is an asset sitting there. Priya built a Claude skill around her content strategy playbook that messaged about 50 former colleagues. Her message was simple, something like this: I built a system that turns this one painful thing into a finished asset in a fraction of the time. Do you know anyone dealing with that right now? That's it. Keep it simple, sharp, and wait for a response. She landed her first client in 4 weeks at $1,000 a month. Her second also at $1,000. Her third at $1,500. By month 3, she had 3 retainers bringing in $3,500 a month. 50 messages sounds like a lot, I know, but you don't need 50 yeses, you need 2. Now let's talk about building a brand. To build a brand, you need to pick a platform. LinkedIn works for most B2B. Post a 5 times a week, keep it useful, and don't chase polish. Polish kills momentum, and momentum is the only thing you actually need right now. Brand and outreach work together. Just because I listed these 2 brand and outreach options separately, that doesn't mean you have to do one or the other. They actually work together. Someone gets your DM, checks your LinkedIn for authority signals, sees you know the work, and replies. All of it leads to a sales call. You get on the call, you understand their problem, you show them how you solve it, and you close. Now, the 30-day plan. It maps right onto the full build system that I've been talking about. Week 1 is foundation and offer. You run the second income map, pick your service, and write your positioning statement. Then you package your offer with a name, a format, and a price. Week 2 is content and presence. You build your Claude skill and set up your LinkedIn profile. You publish your first 3 posts and add a simple lead magnet to them. Week 3 is conversion. You list 50 people from your network, message 10 of them, run the discovery calls that come back, and move them to a decision. Week 4 is systems. When you close your first client, set a sustainable weekly routine and start tracking what is working. Is it guaranteed in 30 days? No. Is it possible? Yes. All 3 of my clients got close to this pace while working their day jobs. The goal here is to sell a service, not a product. You find your idea where your existing skills meet AI compression. You build your Claude skill before your first client. You get on 10 real sales calls with people already in your network. Then you follow the 30-day plan. That is the build system. You can start this weekend. I have the full blueprint available at gunaitopchu.com/blueprint. It's free. Go take a look at it and let me know. If you made it this far, give me a like. If this was useful, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.